Hey, good morning, how are you today? So I've got the body work finished of the Panther by Meng, and it looks really nice. Got a lot of detail on it. So see, you've got the pins there for the spare tracks. You've got photo etch handles for the cleaning case. Some nice details there. And last time you saw this wire was just hanging loose, so I attached it to the turret there, and I used some photo etch clips from another kit just out of the spares box. I textured the front part there because there was a little bit of glue damage, so I just thought I'd go and texture that up with a brush and acetone. So you just get acetone all over it and then dab at it with a hard brush. I used 0.8mm wire for the tow cables and 0.3mm wire for that block there. For this little hammer clip thing, it goes to nowhere, so you've got two bolts at the end. And all you need to do is put in some 0.3mm wire underneath to finish the actual tool clip. I did that on the top and the bottom. The photo etch goes in very easily. And that looks good, that little bit there, I like that. So I re-scribed out all of the panel lines just to make them deeper. This fits too well, so it sort of molds into one piece when you put the glue in. And I scribed out those panel lines a bit more. You want the oils to sit well. And I put a little bit of filler in there as well, so the oils sit in and don't sink straight through. It's a very nice, highly detailed exterior kit. I like that. The tracks have come up very well. So I've done all the spray painting work on it. I've used gunmetal on the tracks. I used this stuff, but it's horrible. Make sure you cover it with a good quality sealant, because you can just scratch it off with your pick. Did a bit of winter white on it. And we got the rubber wheels. We'll get this demattified with oils and all that. This is just the spray work. So they both came up very well. And I like how I can put them on and off, take them on and off as we please. So that's a quick look at the update of the Meng Panther. Just a quick look. I'm going to get onto the actual turret now. So I've given this a bit of a top coat of a sort of a it's called an etch primer. I'm in the shits with the cat. I've got the coach giving me the shits today. Yeah, I gave it a coat of this etch primer, so we have a good surface to paint over all that metal. Usually you don't have problems with water-based paints, but if you're using acrylic lacquers like I do, you really need to give your metal a good surface. Acrylic lacquer just rubs off metal, so you'll touch it and it rubs off. But it's good to do it with your water-based paints as well. They stick better to metal, but it's not great still. With the water-based paints, you'll find it a bit easier to scratch off. But with lacquers, you'll just touch it and it comes off. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon.